Hello, it's Charlie, and today I'm going to be straightening my hair, but trying to make my real hair blend with my extensions as best as I can. So let's all come along on this journey. And I also don't really know how to straighten the back of my head, so we're just gonna kind of wing it and see how it goes. So I have my mini little brush and my straightening iron, and we're just gonna go through with the big brush, and then I'm gonna go through with my comb. Here I have my handy dandy comb, like so, and then I just put the flat iron right above it and I just glide it through my hair. Didn't really work. Okay, hold on. This is mostly to like make sure that the ends are as straight as can be. Okay, we are now on to the next section of the left side of my head. Now I'm going to go through this section of my hair with the comb. So far, looking pretty good. Now I'm going to do the top layer of this section. Okay, if I tuck it behind my ear, it looks very well blended. I don't know how it looks from the back though, so, oh, hello. What is this? There we go. Now I'm going to do the other side. Okay, so I already started doing the right side of my head, like so. And I think it's looking pretty good so far. Now I'm going to do the top section. Okay, it actually looks really nice right now. It looks very well blended. Now let's see it from the back, I guess. Okay, so this is what it looks like from the back. I'll be back after I watch that clip. All right, so I guess we have some bumps. I will try to straighten some of the back pieces to make it look a little bit better, and then we're gonna try that again. Okay, now let's see what it looks like. Does it look better? Okay, it looks good. Okay, so I think I'm all done with my hair for now. Look at me go. I did good. That was actually really good. I'm very proud of myself.